Looking for a free email service for both personal and business use? OffiLive.com offers what Gmail and Yahoo Mail charge for. OffiLive.com gives you complete email service with calendar and contacts, all for free. No hidden fees, no premium tiers. Enjoy all your known features like read and delivery receipt, folder creation, auto logout, and more. While Gmail charges $6 per user monthly for business email and Yahoo doesn't even offer custom domains, OffiLive.com gives you everything for free. Ready to try a better email service? Visit OffiLive.com today and create your free account in minutes. And don't forget to explore more at GoSearch.com.